then you will insert relation, and if I go here to view relation and I click here, then here you will write the selection, you will see the selection title, relation product, relation bundle, and you will edit and you will delete and you will be able to edit these relation bundle relations. Like you will change the title, you will select the other products, or you will select the other, same way you will select some bundle and you will click over update. So I have also shown you the products bundles and these bundle relations icons. Now I go to manufacturer. If I click over this manufacturer, and these are the manufacturers I would like to show you. If I come to shop page, all these manufacturers, now you will be able to add these manufacturers dynamically with your admin panel. You will write here manufacturer name, and this is the functionality show as top manufacturer. If you want to show any manufacturer at the top of this field, so you will be able to click over yes, you will choose a file and image, and you will click over insert manufacturer. And if I go to view manufacturer, and you are watching here the manufacturer name, you will be able to delete manufacturer, you will be able to edit manufacturer. If for example, if you want to bring this cane bender at the top, so I come here and I click over this cane bender, I click over this edit, and here you are watching that no, show as top manufacturer. Now at this time it is being shown at bottom, not at the top. So if I click over yes and I click over update manufacturer, so I click yes, and now I come here and I refresh this page. So now you will watch that cane bender now is being shown at the top of these categories. So friend, this functionality also has been updated and given to you and made for you. You can insert the manufacturer, you can change it is the alignment of manufacturer, you can delete any manufacturer according to your own choice. The same way categories, if I come on these categories, so you will be able to insert new category. You will assign here the category title, you will assign that whether you want to show the category at the top or not, and you will choose the image. And if I click over view categories, and in the same way you will bring any category at the top through inserting that category and through here through editing. Here these categories are already being shown at the top, so yes. If it was down, then this check mark was on the no. So friend, now the same thing is the insert types. I would like to show you these types. You will insert types dynamically. You will write the type title, you will show the types according to your choice at the top or bottom, and you will choose the image, and you will be able to view types, you will be able to delete the types and edit the types and bring any types according to your choice at the top. Like kids, at this time kids is showing down like this. I come here, kids is showing here, and if I click over yes, I updated it, and I come here and I refresh it, then now you will watch the kids are showing at the top. So friend, now I come down and I have already told you the both section. Now this is the about page. I would like to show you here about page. If I click over this about page, so this is the about title, this is subheading, and this is description. You will write here title, this is the subheading short description, and these are the detailed description. So you will everything you will insert in about page dynamically. So now I come down and I would like to show you the contact us page. If I click over contact us page, you will write here this your email address, and this is the most advanced other functionality. Whatever email address will be written here. For example, you make this thing for your client, so you will write here your client email address, and automatically the user email will go to your client. This is the contact us page, and this captcha code. This captcha code also will be inserted, Google captcha code, for making this functionality to clients to avoid from any spam So write name, email, subject and message, and whatever the email address will be written here, that customer email will go to this email address. You will write here the contact heading and you will write here the contact short description like this one. This is the heading and this is the short description. So this section also has been made dynamic. So now I come down to coupon code. You will be insert, yes, one more thing is in the contact insert query. I would like to show you that this is the query. So if I click here, select inquiry type, sorry, not query, inquiry type. If I click here, the customer will be able to select any inquiry type. You have seen this functionality in modern website like Skillshare and someone, that when you write something, you select inquiry type. So you can insert unlimited inquiry type here through your admin panel. You will write here inquiry title and you will click over submit. If I click come here, and I will like to show you that this insert inquiry type and this is the view inquiry types, and you will see all your inquiries. All your inquiries will be inserted down. You will be able to delete these inquiry types. You will be able to edit any inquiry type according to your choice. And I have told you that you can insert unlimited inquiry types. I have just inserted 3, but you will add according to your choice whatever the numbers you want. So inquiry types, this function also has been made totally dynamic. Now this is the another modern functionality of coupon codes. If you want to insert any coupon, first I go to my theme. I would like to show you the coupon code. I come here, I go to insert cart page, and this is the coupon code. Here the customer, if you assign any coupon code to customer will write here coupon code and apply coupon code. If he does not have any coupon code, then he will proceed to normally checkout. He will pay this price, but if he has coupon code, he will write here and his price automatically will be decreased. Now I would like to show you some functionalities of this coupon code, which is the totally modern functionalities. So I come back here. It is the coupon title. Here you will write the coupon title and you will define the coupon price, and you will write here the coupon code, and this is the limit, that how many coupon codes you want to assign to this product. You can select a product here, and you can also select a bundle. You want to assign coupon codes to any bundle, then you will select a bundle. If you want to assign coupon codes to any product, you will define the product, and you will assign here unlimited coupon codes. So if I come to the show coupon code, view coupon code button, if I come here view coupon codes, then you will see the coupon code title, products, that what products coupon have been assigned, and all the coupon codes, the coupon code price, and the coupon code limit also is being shown here, that how many coupon codes you assign to this product. And the one more thing is coupon use, that how many coupons which were assigned to this products have been used yet, and how many coupons have been used to this products and use this product. And the other thing is you are able to edit the limit, you are able to delete, you are able to change the title, anything here. By clicking over edit coupon, you can change the title, and you can also change your product, and you can also change your bundle. So I think you will also like to learn the coupon code functionality, which is using now in all the advanced e-commerce websites, because all are using the coupon code functionality. So now you will be able to change the coupon code, to assign the coupon limits, and you will be able to watch that how many coupons have been used through your admin panel. So friend, if I come to here, I have already shown you the slides. These are the basic slides, header slides. If I come here, so these are the slides I have shown you. So now the services page, edit CSS. This is under slide is view orders. You will be able to watch the orders, that the which customers have given you the orders, and You will be able to send email to the customer. You will be able to delete any order from customer account. For example, some customer has managed an dispute with you and you don't want to show and give that order to him. You will be able to delete customer order. Here if I come to my account, this is the customer my account, and if I write the email address of any customer here, this is the dummy, and if I click over login, I mistakenly wrote the wrong address, so I write here the password. So now you are logged in. So friend, I go to my account. So friend, if any order has here, you will be able to, through your admin panel, to delete that order. And this is the customer image. Orders, pay offline, edit account. Customers will be able to edit his account. I have told already all these things in this introduction, first section introduction. Therefore there is no need to show and tell anything about this functionality, because this functionality also is in this theme. So friend, I go back to my admin panel. Actually this is the admin panel. I was here. So if I go to edit CSS, I have actually the session is out, and I write here also admin panel, and if I come here, edit CSS file. So friend, now I have made also this functionality in admin panel. If you sell this theme, if you make this theme for any customer and he says that I should have the functionality to change the CSS of these images, of these styles, like these texts, like all these labels, like this text and this text and everything. So I have made this functionality of CSS which is showing here, like this template, e-commerce template, my name and my website computer URL and everything. So you can give this functionality to your clients by changing the CSS, editing the CSS through admin panel. So I have also made this functionality. So if I go to services and if I click over insert services, and if I come to this theme and if I go to the services page, so I would like to show you that this services, you will change the services title here, you will change the service image here, you will write service description, service button and the URL wherever you would like to send your customer through these buttons. So I go back to the admin panel, and you will also select your services button according to your choice. And if I come to the services page, and you will be able to view services, and here all these you will be able to delete this services page, and you will be able to edit. You will be able to edit the URL. I have written my website URL. You will be able to change the button and everything you will be able to change by editing these services. So if I go to terms page, if I click over insert term, I shall go to terms and condition page. This is the terms and condition page. So friend, this is the terms and condition page. Terms and condition, refund policy, pricing and promotion policy. So you will be able to change everything, term title, term description and term link. You will write here, and if I come here and I go to view terms, then you will be able to watch all these term boxes, and same way you will be able to delete this box and you will be able to edit these term boxes according to your choice. Now if I come down and I click over view customers, and then you will watch all the customers, and you will be able also to delete the cart of customers. Any customer's cart you will be able to delete it through your admin panel. So friend, view orders functionality is the same one. Sorry, this view payments, I did not change it, and I have already told it everything in detail about this first section introduction. So therefore there is no need to tell you again. Users are the same and logouts are the same. So all these new functionalities which have been made in this new admin panel and in this new theme have been told to you in detail, which were shown you in this second section introduction and which were made in this second section. So I hope first you will be able to make this kind of theme, basic physical e-commerce store with the assistance of PHP and HTML and Bootstrap. You will be able to make this kind of basic theme in detail. If I click over shoes, actually there is no product in shoes. There are products in leather jackets and coats and t-shirts. I did not inserted some images to show you that if there is no product, then this message will be shown, no product found in this product category. In first section you will be able to make this kind of theme, view detail, everything is here also, but not those tabs, not video and other things, not bundles, no coupon code. But in this advanced level theme, modified and updated theme, I have made the coupon code, I have inserted these filters, and I have added so many functionalities in it is admin panel also. So I hope that you will like this course and you will be able to make any kind of advanced e-commerce store after learning and watching this course completely. So goodbye, and I would like to meet you in my course. And then if you have any problem of learning this course, you can contact me and I will be available to help you on Udemy platform. So goodbye.